In this video, we will discuss how to disinfect the Nikon A1RHD confocal microscope. This must be done at the beginning of every imaging session. You will find the instructions on how to disinfect the microscope either located here along the wall behind the computer for the microscope, or you can find them on the desk when you come in. They'll be located in either one of these places. You can follow these step-by-step instructions, which will tell you which surfaces to disinfect as well as which material to use for each surface. First step is to take one of these Clorox wipes and to use it to disinfect most of our common surfaces. So I'll begin by cleaning off the mouse and by gently wiping off the keyboard. Just want to make sure that I touch every surface of the keyboard very gently without depressing any of the keys. Then I'll wipe the exposed surfaces of the desktop and then go on to clean all of the exposed silver bits on the optical table.
It's important that the Clorox wipes are never used on any part of the microscope.
And then after that, I'll just go through and wipe off anything else that I think I might use. So if I'm going to use this desk underneath, or I might wipe off my chair, anything or any place that I might sit my stuff, like my cell phone or my hands or anything else that I'm going to use. And then we have two options for the next set of instructions. First, we could use some ethanol on a Kim wipe, and we can use that to gently wipe off the eyepieces all around and the front of the eyepieces, and then we can wipe off the joystick, so the handle, the knobs on the side, and then the plastic bit at the bottom. Notice how I avoid the screen because there's no reason to touch the screen. Then the other option is to take a piece of clear plastic film and to wrap that around the eyepieces. You can actually use the clear plastic film to cover any of the surfaces that we've disinfected in this video, if that makes you more comfortable.
Now that we have disinfected the system, we can wash or sanitize our hands and move on to the next step, which will be turning the system on.